Hey guys, so I'm filming a video on 10 Looks 1 palette, the Androgyny palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm really sorry for my appearance right now. I've been going hard trying to get these looks out. My last 10 Looks 1 palette video did really well. Hi to everybody from Reddit, from Beauty Guru Chatter. My video was posted there by someone I used to work with. So, hi everybody. I'm really happy you like my video. I put a lot of work into these. I'll be honest with you guys, not the biggest fan of the Androgyny palette. When I got it, I was really inspired because I thought this will be really cool if I have I'm doing a bright look and I need a dark matte for the outer corner, under the eye. But I'm really uninspired by this now. I experienced a lot of fallout, and I experienced a lot of, that's not the biggest issue because I do my eyes before my foundation, but I experienced a lot of patchiness. And I experimented with, I think, 5 different primers, 5 different bases, concealers, and primers. And I used different brushes. I used my fingers. I found packing it on with my finger on the lid was the easiest, but then blending it out, it became patchy. It was bizarre. So honestly, I'm not a massive fan of this palette. However, I know people have purchased this, and I want to kind of give you guys maybe some color inspiration. I know my looks are not perfect by far. You know, I worked as a makeup artist for many years. However, this wasn't my favorite. I'm really sorry. I don't want to be negative. I hate being negative. Usually if I don't like something, I just don't bring it on. I don't want to bring negativity. So anyway, and it's really dusty. I don't know if you could see this, but I constantly had to blow off the dust because it would get in the other colors. This whole bottom row, I'm not really pleased with. The green, I love this color, but when I put it on my lid and then I blended it out into the crease, it did become patchy. I don't know why. And then these 2 blues on the end are so similar. Dominatrix is a nice brown. I did use that on my eyebrows a couple times because it's a nice warm brown. Deja Vu and Frosting are nice, but I have a problem with the shimmer kind of fading away. I did use Deja Vu in my crease because I'm not crazy on the whole matte in the crease trend because I have deep set eyes, so I don't need them to be any deeper. I'm okay with bringing them out with some shimmer. I did use Deja Vu in my crease, and that blended really nicely. Charm and Safe Word are okay, but they're not phenomenal, different colors, you know what I mean? I bought it for the bottom row pretty much, and I don't really like anything in the bottom row, unfortunately. So, yeah, I'm kind of bummed with it. I've liked all of his other palettes. I haven't used the Beauty Killer palette, but that'll probably get a video of its own one day. I'm sure I'll do a video of its own. Anyway, guys, I hope you all liked the video. I hope you do like the video. I hope whoever has this gets some type of color inspiration and thinks, oh, I didn't think to put those 2 colors together. That's why I do these videos. I'm not doing them I'm not spending 4 hours on each video cutting the crease and all that, or 4 hours on each look doing, you know what I mean? I'm going out. When I'm going out, I spend that much time on my makeup, but for these videos, I don't know, I just don't cut creases on myself. Cut creases on myself, the crease gets hid anyway, and I have these little bumps and these, fine lines on my eyes, so the crease always looks not straight anyway. So I hope you guys like it. I put a lot of work into this, a lot of work trying to get this to work as as best as I want to, but I hope you like. Sorry for being so negative, guys. Bye. So anyway, that's the video. Hope you liked. I kind of settled my thoughts in the beginning, so there's not really much else to say. Bye.